I like you to understand there's a difference between writing and answering. Uh, there are so many ways that you write. You write a poem, you write a drama, you write a letter, you write an article, write a novel, write a story. There's so many ways that you write. Answer writing is just one form of writing. So you have to first understand what is answer writing. It's not essay writing. And there are two things here. One is content, other is skill. And most of the time, in your question also, I saw you being worried about the content part of it. So कंटेंट अच्छा हो बट वो कंटेंट स्टोरी का भी हो सकता है, आर्टिकल का भी हो सकता है, एसे का भी हो सकता है, ड्रामा का भी हो सकता है, प्रोज का भी हो सकता है, किसी पोम का भी हो सकता है, बट वो आंसर का कंटेंट होना चाहिए. एंड फॉर दैट बिगिन विद फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्वेश्चन मांगा क्या है. And trust me, if you really understand the demand of the question, UPSC is having fantastic set of questions asked. Then quite often meeting the requirement of the world is also very difficult because you mostly write, you don't answer. And then comes the second part is the skill of expression. Understanding is a skill, expression is also a skill. And then skill has to be acquired. Skill can't be transferred. Information I can transfer, Chat GPT can give you information. We have in KSG, we basically focus on answer writing. And that's what we understand because we know that no matter what information I give you, already have in your mobile. So Manish sir is sitting here. You don't have to join KSG or anything. You can possibly come show some answer to sir. Sir is batao na because he has seen many toppers. He has a lot of experience. He will possibly tell you that hey, इसमें मांगा ये था ये क्यों लिख दिया. It's a very impressive point, but that at times looks arrogant. हमने मांगा नहीं था खामखा क्यों दे रहे हो. So you have to be basically working on the skill part more than the content part, which you probably are more worried about. And then skill, any skill has to be acquired. Information can be transferred. Skill acquire karna hota, and that's more with practice it will come. And I'm sure you smart people.